You already know who it is. It's Auto Styles, and right here we got the 2019 Kia Stinger. What we did was we laced it with the KPMF Ice Blue or Matte Ice Blue Titanium, and then we accented it with some gloss black. And yeah, check it out.
Kid Ocean. Kid Ocean. Kid Ocean.
We got this 2019 Kia Stinger in here. We just wrapped it with the KPMF Matte Ice Blue Titanium. One of my favorite colors by far. Gives off almost like a chrome shimmer shine to it without the actual chrome. But what we did with this one is we accented with gloss black. We did the door handles, gloss black, the mirrors. We did a chrome delete around the window trim. We did a black, gloss black roof with the antenna, shark antenna gloss black. Then we went ahead and threw the 50% ceramic tint on the windshield, protect his dash, give him a little bit of privacy. And then we also laid all the accents on the hood. We did those in gloss black. And then we also did the tinted headlights, tail lights, and then we did the grill, and also laid the emblem out too.
All right, Brian Palenque here, about to pick up my car from Auto Styles. My Instagram is Genesis Racer 23.
All right, cool, Brian. What got you into the Kia Stinger?
Oh man, it's just, you know, I used to have a Mustang because I've always loved fast cars, of course. And then I got 2 kids, so putting a kid in and out of a car in the back of a Mustang is just gets to be pretty painful. So I decided V6 twin turbo 4-door sedan, let's do it.
Gotcha. What made you pick the specific color to wrap your car?
I've always loved blue.
Gotcha.
Blue and black's always been what I loved ever since my Genesis. And I've never been able to find a color like that again. So I was doing research and finally found that, and I fell in love.
Awesome, man. All right, well, let's go look at your car.
All right.
Look at the customer, about to show him the wrap for the first time. He hasn't seen it yet. We sent him a couple little sneak peeks, but this is gonna be his first time seeing it in person, so let's go grab him. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, we all ready, bro. So I'm done, we just finished, so. You ready? All right, let's go check it out. I think you're gonna like
I feel
it.
like a kid in a candy shop.
This is it.
Bro, I am in love. Woo! That color. Pictures did not do it justice. Pictures were amazing, but God, this is just so good.
I wish it wasn't dark outside where we can see it in the sun, but you'll have a surprise when you wake up.
Yeah, definitely.
All the gloss black accents, I really like that. The headlights, I was a little iffy at first, but man, it really, especially the front of it.
It pops it 100%.
It does. We did a little bit darker on the sides to make sure that that reflector got, and then a little bit lighter on the front.
Yeah.
So it kind of really faded that. Grill, we got the sensor, we got everything nice and painted, gloss black.
How you feeling, bro?
Like, I don't even want to drive it, I just want to stare at it. That's how sexy it is.
Chris with Auto Styles. If you like that video, like, subscribe, comment, and make sure you stay tuned and follow us for all the hottest projects. We do everything from window tint to full wraps, chrome deletes, you name it, we do it. It's a one-stop shop. So hit us up, stay tuned. Thank you.